If you would travel anywhere in the world, where would you love to go?
I haven't really thought about it, but thinking about it right now, I would love to visit Monaco. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today it's another video for makeup. However, I have someone very dear to my heart. I want to introduce my friend and my very good pal. She is Mariama.
Hi, I am welcome here. Thank God today I'm here. Don't worry, you'll be seeing me frequently.
Yes.
So let's get into it.
Yes, let's get into it. So today we are just gonna slay our face while we just chat amongst ourselves. Yeah. So basically that. I would link our channel. She's fun. In fact, she's energetic.
You would enjoy. Here. You will see more.
Yeah, you would enjoy our channel. So I will just quickly link our channel and our Instagram on the screen. You will see it popping right now. Firstly, what are you using?
I'm a moisturizer. Okay. Nivea. I'm using Nivea.
Nivea. She's using Nivea. I've done my moisturizing. I am just applying my foundation primer from Morphe.
The reason why I'm using moisturizer, especially for Nivea, is just to moisturize the face. So, because like I said, I'm not a pro. I'm going to learn from her because I've seen her makeup.
Oh dear.
She really knows how to do her makeup because I've been seeing her videos and her pictures.
Oh my goodness, yeah. I'm blushing already.
Yeah, she is. She's good with makeup.
So why do you use moisturizer first?
Yeah, from other makeup videos that I've watched, I think it's because it's helped to moisturize the face so you can have the base of the foundation.
That's true, absolutely. Okay. So I've used my moisturizer first, and now I've gone for my primer. Of course, we've wiped our face first. That was the first thing we did, and
so I'm going to use my own primer, but I'll just wait for my moisturizer to sit maybe 1 or 2 minutes while she goes on with her own foundation.
Yes, I'm going in with my foundation. So how long do you leave your primer to sit on your face?
Maybe less than 1 minute.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So I'm applying my foundation right now,
and my own foundation is Elf Flawless Skin Fashion.
Okay, how do you, is it really nice, or you are just...
I think I've been using it for like a few weeks ago. I tried it. I just said, let me try it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's...
How is it?
Let me see. It's so nice. I think it's my skin color as well.
Oh, good. So before you started using, is it Elf?
Yes, it's Elf.
Before you started using Elf, what other foundation were you using?
I was not having a particular one because, just like I said before, I'm not the kind of makeup pro like you. I've just been using anything that I'm able to get.
That you get your hands on.
Yes.
There are really lovely foundations out there, honestly. People need to go out there to kind of do their... And you can actually get free samples.
Yeah.
You can get free samples. So that way you can try the foundation at home and you can just do your things at home.
Okay.
I'll put all of the products down in the description box so that anyone you are interested in you can go get it. So she said so far, right? You've been loving it, right?
Yeah, I've been using it for a few weeks. And again, I'm seeing you using blush.
Yes, flat brush. So the flat brush, I just use it to spread first.
Okay.
Just so that it will go to every part of my face.
Okay.
After that, I would leave it to sit for a while and go for my beauty blender. That's what I do.
Okay.
It will suck off the beauty blender, now suck off the excess foundation.
So you see the reason why I said you are more pro than me.
Oh my goodness.
Because I'm just using the beauty blender here. I don't know that I'm supposed to use a brush.
You're not supposed to. It's just you try and see.
Okay.
And yeah, you would.
Because this is what I've been seeing other makeup artists doing. So I'm just been following.
The fact is that one thing about makeup, you play with it. You know, kind of try something. If it doesn't work, although it costs money, makeup is not cheap.
Yeah, I know.
It costs money. Try,
especially a good makeup.
Exactly.
Because I think I listened to one YouTuber that was doing a makeup video.
Yeah.
So she was saying people want flawless skin makeup, but they are not ready to invest on their makeup.
That is it. So we are done with our foundation, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going with my concealer, and I'm using 12.5C.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I'm using Elf as well.
Oh, you love Elf product.
Yeah, like I told you, I've been using it a few weeks ago. I just let me try it. Yes, and it's hydrating camo concealer.
I've heard about this. This is good.
Okay.
Like, this is really good.
It's deep caramel. 84392.
Okay.
I think that's the number for it.
Okay. I've heard about this concealer, and I've tried to get it on. Is it at Superdrug?
Yeah, Superdrug.
Yeah, but they weren't having my color then.
Okay.
So yeah, they said it's very good. I have list of foundation I saved. Foundation, in fact, makeup product I want to try. Okay. So yeah, so hopefully I'll try to get them. The fact is that sometimes they don't really have most of our shades. So
that's the other thing.
Yeah, it's difficult to. Yeah. We're just applying our concealer to brighten our under eyes. Yeah, basically.
You guys already know she's the pro here.
No, that is not true. We are all trying.
She is. Honestly, she is.
We are going for our powder to brighten up our under eyes.
Yes. So why is your own color different from mine?
You can try it if you want to. This is the Sasha Buttercup.
You see, guys, this is what I've been saying.
You can try it and see for yourself how.
I think it makes the highlights come on.
Yeah, yes. It makes your concealer pop. It brightens and it makes it like mute and calm.
She knows how to do makeup, I'm telling you. Learning from her. I think this has to be outside the video.
Outside the video, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So guys, we will be doing more of collaboration. I think
you'll be seeing us.
Yes, you'll be seeing us together.
So keep sticking.
Styling. Man, our fashion sense is top notch. I may be good in makeup, but Mariama,
don't worry.
You will see.
No.
You will see.
Relax.
Our fashion sense is out of this world.
No.
She loves pop of color. She loves trendy items. She loves.
I think I do. But she does.
She knows.
She knows how to style as well. She does.
Oh my goodness.
She knows how to style.
I can be good in makeup, but styling.
She knows how to style.
I would leave that to you because
she knows how to style as well. She does. I like colors, like she said. She
loves colors.
I like trending things.
Yeah, she plays with color in a good way. Like
you'll be seeing it. Don't worry.
If she is,
keep sharing, subscribing, tell your friends to tell other friends.
Yes.
Just stay on the channel. You'll see more things.
That's it.
Yeah.
So we are done with that. We are going to do our eyeshadows. Yes. Yeah. So what do you want to do? Is it calm or oh my goodness, I'm so sorry for.
I don't even know which eyeshadow I should use. She knows. She's not even asking calm or.
So I'm using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession. You're using Rebellious
Magic Studio. Yes.
That's fine.
You know the makeup more. You know the skills. She does know the skills.
She is holding the Morphe palette by James Charles, so that's what she wants to play with now. I'm using the dark, either of these two at the end part of my
I think I saw the two dark hair. I'm going to try. I'll just be following her.
Okay. So this is what I do. Basically, just try to drag it inward, like I'm doing a line.
I'm trying to follow her steps.
So.
This makeup thing not easy.
It's not easy, right?
Kudos to all the makeup artists, pro.
But it's fun for me.
Like I'm saying, when I'm seeing your makeup, especially your pictures, I'm wondering how will I get to this?
But you are getting there, honestly.
But I think the reason is because you buy good quality makeup.
It's not just to buy good quality. It's also to buy the tools. You have the brush, the brushes. You have soft bristle brushes. Okay. It's very important as well. Yeah, it's very important as well. The types of brushes to use.
Because just using this one, it's popping. And when I've been using mine, I've never had this kind of
effect.
Yes.
Okay. And another thing is how to handle your tools.
Okay.
You have to handle it very lightly, like holding it at the tip. Some people will hold it here, so it's firm. You're putting much pressure. Okay. But if you hold the tip, you're just applying very, very lightly.
I'm telling you, all of these skills I need to learn.
I just want to do something poppy, like something that will pop. I want to use gold eyeshadow. I'm using this, which is a cream shadow first. So we'll do one on camera and we'll just quickly do the other one off camera. I'm using this old tool, this ancient tool. It sticks
very well.
Yes, it sticks. It sticks very well. So I still use it because it works for me. When something works for you, you just keep using it. Okay. Yeah. So
I think I've learned something today.
Did you?
Yes, I did. This whole makeup thing it's a school as well, because There are a lot of things that I've never known about makeup, but with you today, I think if we continue,
of course, we'll get there.
Yeah.
So I want to place this
kudos
gold.
to her.
Thank you. If you go to her Instagram, you'll see that she wears.
You know, they asked the one that had many followers.
She wears, yeah. They asked one of her Instagram accounts. And how did you feel when you saw that it was act? Were you devastated?
Do I want to cry on camera? You don't even understand the feeling. Oh my goodness! Because you know, to build Instagram followers is not easy.
Really easy. Honestly.
I've had that Instagram account for over 10 years, and just in a day,
it's just
no.
And
it wasn't
you
easy.
didn't try to. Did you try to recover it?
I did, but I think they were asking me for my number that I was using, the number that I used to open it, and I did not have the number anymore.
All right.
So that was very difficult for me.
Oh,
I could not recover it. I had to open a new one, and I think I'm just with 36 followers.
You will get there with hard work, and we'll get there definitely. One of the videos we plan on shooting, we just said it, that we are going to make up each other. That would be fun.
I can't wait.
So that would be fun. That would be one of the videos we would actually put up.
I hope I'm doing it well.
Of course, it's just mascara. So that's one of the videos we'll be putting on. And like I said, one thing I admire more is her fashion sense. Like for me, I just love.
Don't pull my legs.
Honestly.
She's good as well.
You play with colors a lot, like beautiful, vibrant colors.
She's good as well. She is, because I've been seeing her photos. She's good as well.
Oh my goodness, Miriama doesn't care if it's winter, if it's summer. She just does her thing, and it's so vibrant, so colorful, so cheerful, and yeah.
Well, I don't know what I would say. It's because, you know, the thing about me, I just like clothes. You know, I love fashion. I love clothes. So I would just. Like she said, I don't even care whether it's cold. It's no matter the weather. The most important thing is I need to have a very good jacket.
She has a large following on TikTok as well. Please, guys, go follow her on TikTok. She's fun to watch on TikTok, and you will love her content there. I know that we are growing this 2023.
We are.
So
we are.
We just have to put
it's high time.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've been saying this for
but we need your support.
Time.
It could only be with your support. You guys need to share. You guys need to like, comment. Whatever video you wanted us to put on, you just let us know.
Yeah, that's true. So I am going with my Morphe Prodigy, and this is my bronzer just for my cheek. So I like my cheekbone. So yes.
Why even need the bronzer?
You don't need it, right?
I don't know.
You already have a bronze face, but you can just tap a little.
Okay.
Because this is very dark. You just need very, very little. This is
telling
so
you.
Dark. Just a little. Don't need more. Tap. Did you tap?
See, I did
don't
not.
put it. No, don't put it on your blush. Underneath your blush. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you see what I was saying.
So I don't like applying lots of product at once. I just do it gradually, because you can always add as much as you want to. So we are going for our lips now. That is our final step. I'm using the KKW lip liner.
I'm using Rimmel CO for black brown.
So who is your favorite YouTuber?
Diana Akumi. I don't know if I pronounce her name well. One Nigerian YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yes. I love her
so
content, her energy.
Yeah, she has your type of energy, honestly.
And again, she's very encouraging. That's the one thing that I liked about her.
Okay.
Yeah, she does. She'll encourage you. She'll always tell you how to stay on YouTube. Consistency.
Yeah.
You know, she'll always be telling you that don't look at the subscribers, the views and everything. When you are growing, all you need to focus on is your consistency and the content you want to put out. That's the reason why I love her.
That's absolutely
yes.
true.
I learn a lot. I've been learning a lot, and I'm still learning.
She's really good. I love her. She's energetic.
Energy.
Yes, and she is she's nice. I love her content. She does vlog from her kids to her husband and all of that. Yeah, she is so hardworking.
Yeah,
because it only takes hard work for her to get to that where she is today.
Yeah,
she's very hardworking.
Because imagine having 3 kids, you know, being a wife. It's just a lot for me.
It is. It's not easy.
How she does manage the whole thing.
Yeah.
You know, she's doing amazing work. She
is amazing. And what do you think? How often do you want to post on your channel?
I think I want to be coming on twice a week.
Okay.
You guys will be seeing me twice a week.
Yes.
Yeah, with her help. And again, shout out to her. You know, she's very encouraging.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of things, you know.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know how to edit. She has been helping me with a lot.
Oh, thanks. I've been encouraging as well. When I met her, she was like, let us do this, let us do this, let's keep our content creation very, very serious, let's take it really serious. And she was really, really encouraging.
And the other thing again, I think we have a lot to offer, especially with her.
So guys, we are done with our makeup. How do we
look?
We just played with it today.
Yes.
We'll do more of it as time goes on.
And I think I learned a lot from her, the way she used products and the way she used her brushes. So
we'll do more of it. Please, guys, the part 2 of this video.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please, and subscribe to us as well.
Make sure you leave your comment down to the comment section, please.
Please tell us how we slayed. And the part 2 of this video will be on our channel, which is I want to lay our wigs
and see how it looks with the makeup.
It looks with the makeup. So you'll see the final part of it on her channel. So please, I'll link it in the description below. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.
See you again very soon.
Bye.